Are you looking for the best miter saw for woodworking? In your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best miter saw for woodworking that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Bosch Axial Glide 12-inch GCM12SD. I realize you can argue that it's not as precise as the Festool Kapex, but Bosch's price tag is $1,000 less, and its precision has been more than enough for the jobs we've done. In our experience, we're confident most miter saw users will get the results they need without spending so much extra to get it. If you want to shave some weight off the Bosch GCM12SD with only minimal capacity loss, consider the Bosch CM10GD 10-inch glide miter saw at $629. You can get a lighter model with the same excellent cutting performance. Up next in the 4th place is the Bosch 18V ProFactor Axial Glide 12. Considering my favorite miter saw is Bosch's 12-inch Axial Glide, it shouldn't be a surprise that Bosch ProFactor 18V 12-inch Axial Glide is my choice as the best cordless miter saw. Sporting the same space-saving sliding system as its corded counterpart, its performance and accuracy make it a keeper. Cutting is smooth and quick, and I noticed very little deflection from the blade. Unlike the corded version, there are 4 speed modes. 3 of them can help you match the blade speed to the material you're cutting. Eco mode offers a way to manage runtime if you're running low and cutting softer materials. With 8Ah and 12Ah high-capacity batteries available, runtime can keep up with your workload well. The 3rd product on our list is the Festool Kapex 10-1/4-inch KS 120 rep. It's hard to overstate the incredible refinement of the Festool Kapex KS 120 rep miter saw. Its precision makes it an easy choice as the best miter saw for woodworking. Plus, you get incredible clearance off the back fence with a nested crown capacity of 6/5/8 inches, or up to 4/3/4 inches for vertical trim. The 10-1/4-inch blade is unusual, and it will keep you coming back to Festool for blades. However, the combination of the Kapex, Festool blades, and a Festool CT Series dust collector turns a great miter saw into a precision cutting system like no other. Festool also does other things that just make a lot of sense. The rail-forward design lets you run the saw against a wall in your workshop. They give you a dual laser cut line indicator. They also made the base of the saw exactly the height of a sustainer one, so you can use your sustainers as material supports when cutting. Second on our list is the Bosch 8-1/2-inch CM8S. This model gave us some of the best cutting capacity in the compact class as well. We were able to cut 12-1/4 at 90 degrees and 8/5/8 at 45 degrees. We also loved the thumb-actuated detent override design. At 37 pounds, the Bosch CM8S may not sound lightweight, but the top handle makes it easy to manage. Of the ones we've used, it's one of the easiest saws to move around the job site and can be carried with one hand. If you're interested in going cordless, and I certainly don't blame you, you can get an 18V battery-powered version of this saw with the Bosch GCM18V08N. Amazon has been the best place to find it. Even though we have a lot of praise for this model, it is compact. You won't get nearly as generous a cutting capacity or power as you do from quality 10-inch and 12-inch models, so make sure it covers your needs before pulling the trigger. Finally, the top product on our list is the DeWalt 12-inch DWS779. When I looked for the best miter saw for the money, I sought an all-around workhorse tool at an exceptional value. Rising above several excellent candidates, the DeWalt DWS779 is my top choice. The tool comes with some street cred and represents yet another iteration of DeWalt's belt-driven platform. In addition to its full sliding dual-bevel compound capabilities, the design gives you more depth and clearance than geared designs. How much? The tall sliding fences support 6 3/4-inch base placed vertically against the back or 7 1/12-inch nested crown. You can also cut 214 material at 90 degrees and 210 lumber at 45 degrees. And that's all for now, I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.